Hello guys, Tolo here, and welcome back for another Tolo Plays, which is my first impression series, a new series I made on YouTube where I go in, play a game, and tell you guys my honest opinion on the game, which is basically what a first impression is. So this time around I got my hands around the game called Demolition Inc. It is just a demo and it's available on Steam Store, the demo that is. You can also buy the game at Steam Store for only 10 euros, but let's see what kind of game it is. Let's go ahead, make a new profile, Tolo, with a single L, okay. I don't know much about this game, other than it's a indie game. It's a puzzle game, sort of, and apparently we are spaceman something. We are aliens, and we are going to the Earth. And I know the sound is a little bit loud right now, but I'm gonna turn it down in just a second. So here we are. Let's just get the intro. Very loud, to be honest. Okay, let's turn on some graphics, shall we? I think that's alright, actually. You must restart the game for your changes to take effect. Okay, that's alright. The audio is still a little bit loud. Okay, you know what guys, I'm gonna go ahead, restart my game here, and I'll be right back with you in just a second. So hopefully that helps a little bit on the actual audio. Anyways, this is Demolition Inc. and let's get started. Let's go ahead, do the campaign Sun City, and destroy the city and unlock a star apparently. What is this? I don't even know. Let's take some glue. Loading screen. How can there even be a loading screen? Oh well. Okay, so I know we are alien. We are supposed to destroy something on the Earth. Not exactly sure, but I guess that's what the title says. Okay, mission. We need to get something from 0 to 100%, and we'll get $1 million for it. So, accept for that. Let's accept that. And rotate camera, zoom in, zoom out, place an item, pick up some stuff and inventory, pick up an item and pause game. Okay, that's alright. Okay, so yeah, blah blah. I need to okay, what do I need to? I need to destroy these buildings, right? Okay, so how space. Okay, I want to use this oil cloud. Okay, if I place that oil cloud on the ground, then army arrives in 420 seconds. I guess that's how long time I got for it. Yeah, come on, stop with all those pop-ups. Did I just do the crash there? Oh, did I do that? Seriously, why do it need to take all of that helps? Okay, let's see if we can destroy some more. Need to pick up some stuff. Oh, awesome. Maybe I got some more oil splatter. Maybe I need to pick some. Is there any oil we can press F1 for help? I already know that. How do I get more oil? I don't have that much. Oh, we got some wheel glue now. Oh, I see. If we place that there, the car go in the proper direction. Thank you. Oh, that other one actually went into that. So this is pretty much what the game is about. I'm gonna imagine that in the later stages you're gonna have more challenging stuff. There's gonna be more challenging stuff to go through. But that's alright. You need to destroy, and we need to destroy a little bit more. We need to. And apparently we need to clean the city as well. Okay, I'm horrible at this game, yes I know. But that's what a first impression series is about. It's not about playing the game perfectly the first time you play it. No, 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 no. Oh, apparently we're making that green stuff now. Let's see. We are cleaning up the city from the human infestation. They have destroyed planet Earth, so now we're fixing it for them. Come on! Oh, drive faster. This game actually needs a bit of practice to know what exactly to do. But I'm doing alright, I'm doing alright. How much more do I need to destroy though? I would like to know. Oh, there we go. Was that the final building? I don't even know. Oh, payday! Cheers! I actually managed to complete that level. Mission complete. And I ended up being way off. My high score, I was like 6,308 place on the total score list. Now I've unlocked a new district. Well, let's just keep going, I guess. Go into the next level and see what that is about. Maybe we can get some more challenging, some super reaction map apparently. Yeah, we know that. We know that already. We accept. Okay. Boom. No. Okay, is there anything I can pick up? Come on, crash it all. Boom, 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 boom. I'm kind of missing something obvious, ain't that? Well, let's clean the trash here, just since the humans cannot clean it. Come on, boom, no. I'm something fairly obvious. Where? How do we make that building explode? Maybe if we restart it, we'll have a better idea about it. Okay. What do I have? I need to destroy this building that went down here. I need to make some sort of chain reaction happen right here. But I think I need to place somewhere here maybe too, because when last time I made a car go into this oil tanks here, it kind of stopped right here, the chain reaction, so I need to place something here. Oh, there we go. I'm just pro. Come on. Boom. Much better. That was actually fairly easy. Okay, we need only a few more houses. would that be it? Apparently we unlocked a cow. What can we use that cow for? I don't know. Maybe in next level. And 100%. Payday. Oh, I didn't do too bad here. I got the best time on 812. Not bad. Continue on to the next mission. Falling trees. Let's take that one. Let's just play through all 4 missions here. Seems fairly easy at this point, but I'm sure at the high level there's gonna be more puzzle to it. This cow explodes when touched. Place it on the streets or near other explosive objects to cause chain reaction. Okay, so let's take a look at the map first here. So let's try to place the cow here, and a cow here, and boom. Okay, that was wrong. Ah, I see. okay, it's basically doing everything for me. Boom. It didn't go exactly as I had planned, but it's alright. Okay, wrong. Boom, 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 boom. I'm getting fairly good at this. I'm sure I'm still doing something wrong. There must be, but hey, that's a payday. That was easy. Ended up. Wow, still a lot of more people was way better than me to this game. Well, maybe if I go through it another time, then I'll do better, hopefully. Well, you would imagine if you have already played through the map and then the second time playing it. Thanks for playing the demo. Oh, I thought there was 4 levels, but apparently there was only 3. But this is the demo after all, and this has been Demolition Inc. And my name is Tolo, and I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, and I'll make sure to throw out more first impression videos in the future. Bye.